What's up, guys? Hey, I'm here with our Director of Product Development, Ryan Goodkin, one of the owners of LiveGood. We're excited to give you a quick tour.
Yeah.
It could be like 2 minutes, so let's go.
Let's go.
This is our warehouse where we're shipping all our products from. We've got it pretty much packed right now, and we've got a lot more products coming, so we'll see what happens. This is our awesome warehouse guru, Lee Winters, ready to ship your products. So let's give you a quick tour. We're gonna just walk you through. This is our warehouse. As you can see, we're ready. We are stocked. I'll let Ryan talk a little bit about some of the products we got.
Check it out. We got our first protein product on the market here. Super awesome product. 20 grams of protein per serving. The best ingredients on the planet. Plant-based. Awesome product.
You guys are going to love that.
You're going to love it. It tastes amazing.
What do we got here?
All right. What do we have here? Just our USDA certified organic super greens. This is amazing. You want vitality and vibrance? Check out our super greens. Awesome product.
Ryan formulated, he's our formulator, formulated every product, highest quality raw materials and ingredients that we can find.
That's right.
We went back and forth with manufacturers, making sure they did what Ryan wanted them
That's
to do.
right. Back and forth many times to get here.
Made it happen.
All right, our reds. Awesome, so talk about for circulation, just rich in antioxidants, USDA certified organic super reds. Check it out. Super good taste.
You guys have heard of Super Beets or Organifi?
Yeah.
Better. Oh, I'll do the, yeah, okay. So you guys know I own Skinny Body Care and have been very proud of all of our products. So we brought a few back. They are for a limited time. We may keep them going if you guys really love them and want to keep buying them. But Instant Youth, Instant Wrinkle Eraser, 90 seconds, wrinkles are gone. We sold a ton of this for $59.95. We're making it available to LiveGood members for $12. Highest quality stuff. Other companies are selling stuff similar for $120. This is better.
Yeah.
Ageless, over 1 million bottles sold for 59 bucks.
Wow.
Again, $12 for our members.
Come on.
And this is one of my favorites. I've been taking this. This is part of my morning. This is like my morning coffee. Our E3 pre-workout, electrolytes, endurance, just an amazing product. I've been taking it every morning for literally the last like 3 or 4 years, and we're making that available to our LiveGood members as well. Limited time for those 3 products. But let's continue.
Yeah, we got more stuff to show you.
Real quick. We're coming up on our 2-minute mark.
Right. Moving quick. So we've talked about, Ben, how people need products, right? To not only get healthy, but to stay healthy.
That's why we created the company.
That's it, right? And here's 2 awesome examples of that. Vitamin D3 with K2 and a magnesium complex, the most bioavailable forms of magnesium. Both products needed daily for more than most people can ever, imagine. This is a very necessary product.
And we've got an essentials pack that includes those 2 and our multivitamin that we'll get to in a second. That people need to be taking every day. Next, we got our CBD oil. This is our 1,500 milligrams. Other companies are selling this for like 120 bucks. I think we're around 30 something. Highest quality CBD oil. MCT is the carrier. You'll learn more about that. Let's move on. We've also got, so we've got 2 potencies. We've got the 1,500 and the 750 milligram. These are peppermint. We've also got the 1,500 and 750 milligram in natural flavor. And we've got our pet CBD, 300 milligrams for your dogs if they have anxiety, just need a relaxer, they've got joint problems. Awesome product. Last but not least, I'll let Ryan finish it up.
What do we have?
Oh,
the multivitamins, yes. We have a multivitamin in both men and women because, look, men and women have different physiological needs. So that's what we did here. And they're both 24 ingredients, the most bioavailable, best multivitamins on the market.
That's what we got. We got some more stuff coming on the way. We've got a little bit more rack space here, so we gotta start moving some product to make some room. But thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.